Man, this is so simple and nan one of y'all is doing it. Come on.
All these people are talking about wanting to sell you a lifestyle. We're here to sell you a life.
Selling on Amazon has absolutely changed our lives.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's a Dropshipping Terminator. Me and my partner, the Dan of Steel, we handle that Amazon life, Amazon FBA, private label dropshipping, all types of e-commerce stuff in general. That sounds good to you, man. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Get into the free Facebook group below. You already know what time it is, people. You already know. All right, for you regulars, let's get into it. So, I don't know why you guys aren't doing this. Like, social media is huge. It's massive. Massive. You guys can get so much free exposure for an Amazon product. You ain't even, half of you guys have thousands of friends on Facebook. You think that a few of them wouldn't buy your product? You think that a few people wouldn't see a post on Instagram or a story or something, you talking about a product and them not be interested in at least purchase it? Like y'all over here trying to do all these Facebook ads and all these whiz bangs and everything else, and you're not even marketing to the people that would support you first and foremost. Like, come on! What's wrong with you guys? I mean, it's not rocket science. Blast off. But it's, guys, you can pull this off. Like, you really can. For a beginner who's not really getting any traction, and let's say that you're trying to make it on your own. Let's say you don't have the funds, right? You don't have the funds to get a good mentor. You should be hustling to get money to get a good mentor. But whatever, if you're not hustling, if you just lazy and don't want to hustle, cool, whatever. I don't care. That's besides the point. Let's say you starting off, right? You're like, yo, man, I gotta get this product moving. It's not really moving. I watched a lot of, Derrick Struggle YouTube videos of Kevin David's, blah, 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 blah. And they said do this, and your product's not moving. All right, so this is what you guys are gonna do. This will be a lot easier if you have an Amazon affiliate account and you have a landing page set up and all this other stuff where you can basically market this product, okay? Having a link on your Facebook page to that landing page where you can market it and basically sell it to somebody, it's going to be a lot easier. But if you don't have an Amazon affiliate account and you're not all set up and you don't know how to build landing pages and all this stuff, you don't want to use ClickFunnels, you're on a budget, then by all means, scrap it. You're just going to get the direct link to your product and put it out there. I don't recommend that, and there's reasons why, but just this is what you'll do. You'll get sales and yeah. So you're going to get the link to your product. You're going to have your product photography. You guys are going to have good photos, right? And you're just going to post. You're going to post and you're also going to create a coupon code. All right. You're going to create a coupon code for your Amazon FBA product. With private label dropshipping, we don't have to do all this stuff to get products to move. It's a completely separate thing. So yeah, this is really for the FBA guys. But you want to create a coupon code because you want to give people an incentive to buy. So you're going to have your post up there, be like, yo, man, check this out. Something catchy. You need to have good ad copy. Like, my man, yo, this product is dope. I'm loving it. You guys should check it out. Here's a free coupon. Here's a coupon code that gives you, 15-20% off, blah, 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 blah. And more often than not, you will get some sales through that, especially if you have a really big social media base. If you guys have thousands of friends on Facebook or you have a few thousand followers on Instagram, it's a pretty good way. You can put it in an Instagram story, a Facebook story, make a post on it or whatever. It is really, really freaking easy to get a few sales based on that alone. All right. And that can help you in the long run and start, getting a little traction, get your product ranked, stuff like that. You can kind of build a small audience around who would be the ones to purchase your product. All right, so you can know who to target, for future campaigns and stuff like that. It's really effective. All right, it's super simple. It's really effective. It does not take a lot of time. It does not take a lot of energy. It's absolutely free, guys. You can make a video of you using this product. All right, I would recommend video because video, converts better. We know this for a fact. Okay, video converts better. That's just the way it is. There's a reason why people look at YouTube. Message. Now, make a video of said product. Get yourselves a good videographer, like our boy Crispy behind the camera, and basically shoot an ad. Basically shoot an ad. Now, if you don't have the money for that or whatever, you can. Old iPhone videos work the same way. You're like, yo, man, I'm using this thing. This thing is dope. Your friends, your family, be like, oh, what is that? Oh, let me check that out. Yo, man, is that really good? That really good? I could use that. I could trim my wiper blades down with that. I don't have to go buy new wiper blades. I could just use that. Oh, where do I get that from? Oh, that link right there? With 10% off? 15%? Yo, say no more. Buying it. Bet. There you go. You got you some sales. Done and done. Not that hard. And it was free. Took you nothing but a little bit of time. Yeah, that's it, guys. It's easy. That's how you use social media to help blow up your Amazon product, because it's free. You don't have to do any paid promotions. You don't have to do any shout outs. Like, you don't have to pay anybody for anything. Like, you can. You if you want to, you could pay an influencer or give them free product in exchange for them promoting it. I'll catch you guys in the next one, man. Be safe, be smart, use social media to your advantage for free. Get some Amazon sales. You know what to do. Peace.